Greetings YouTube, Lion Unleashed by Catcher from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Thursday, December 5th, 2019, and it's been approximately 2.5 weeks since we brought you guys our last video update on our 3-foot by 6-foot Huegel Culture Garden Planter that we named Sweet Baby Red, as suggested by our dear friend Sharon Harris out of Tallahassee, Florida. And we thought we would take this moment to show you guys exactly what has changed in our planter since our last video update. Hang tight. I'm going to spin this camera around and show you guys exactly what's going on. Alright YouTube, here we are at our 3-foot by 6-foot Huegel Culture Garden Planter that we named Sweet Baby Red, as suggested by our dear friend Sharon Harris out of Tallahassee, Florida. If you've been following the video series on this planter, you recall that this is indeed our 3rd crop of produce that we've grown in this planter this season. Indeed, yes, our 3rd crop. In our first planting in this particular planter, we planted Beauregard sweet potatoes back on March 26th of this year, and we harvested those sweet potatoes on July 4th of this year. After that, on July 6th of this year, we planted sugar baby watermelons in this planter, and we harvested those watermelons approximately 2 months later. After that, we planted our 3rd crop here in this planter, and if you've been following the video series on this planter, you recall that we planted carrots, collards, dill, arugula, and Swiss chard in this planter. Some of our plants did very well, some of them didn't do well. But the ones that did do well, we're going to give you guys a look at exactly how well they're doing at this point in our growth season. Again, it's December the 5th, and I'm amazed at the fact that we can even grow anything at this point in the growth season here. Again, our temperatures have been very mild here, and we're hoping that those mild temperatures do indeed persist into later this month or early next month. And we're really pleased with the way the weather has been treating us here lately. At any rate, YouTube, here's indeed what the plants in our 3-foot by 6-foot Huegel Culture Garden Planter Sweet Baby Red are looking like at this point in the growth season. Take a look at this. Yeah. These are our orange hybrid carrots. Received these seeds as a gift from our dear friends Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction in Eastern Tennessee. Thanks, Mark and Tina. These are our collards. Again, we received these seeds also from our dear friends Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction in Eastern Tennessee. Thanks, guys. This is our dill, and our dill has really taken off with these cooler temperatures. We received these seeds also as a package gift from our dear friends Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction in Eastern Tennessee. This is our arugula. We received these seeds from our dear friend Vicky up in Pomona, Missouri, up at Little Creek Homestead. Thanks, Vicky. And although indeed our Swiss chard in this planter is not doing so well, we received these seeds also from our dear friend Vicky up at Little Creek Homestead in Pomona, Missouri. They are hanging in there. These cooler temperatures are indeed finally allowing them to attain some growth here. We're going to let them stay in this planter and see exactly what they do throughout the remainder of this growth season if the mild temperatures do indeed persist here in the growth zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. At any rate, YouTube, this is indeed our December 5th, 2019 update on our 3-foot by 6-foot Huegel Culture Garden Planter that we named Sweet Baby Red, as again suggested by our dear friend Sharon Harris out of Tallahassee, Florida. And this is what our plants are looking like. Our arugula, our dill, our collards, and our carrots. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if you are indeed watching this video, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. And if you are indeed watching this video and you're not already subscribed to Mark and Tina up at Bumblebee Junction in Eastern Tennessee, take this moment to click on the link at the top of this video, hop over to their channel, and see what they're growing in their gardens at this point in the growth season. If not already subscribed to our dear friend Vicky up at Little Creek Homestead in Pomona, Missouri. Click on the link at the top of this video also. Hop over to her channel and see what she's growing. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. Hit the bathroom, splash some cold water on my face. Okay, thanks to Chard for letting this life you see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation in the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lion 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lion's about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lion's gonna do. I'm known for ripping hitters just like I did the last time. Cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was years ago when I first hit the rap game. And way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. This line is on the rise. You can see it in my eyes. I'm aiming for the top prize. I know it's been a minute. That don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss. Each time my haters test me.